So let's see how to use pivot table in the Excel. So this is the data set. See, the serial number. This is date, and I have extracted day from the date and month and year as well. And this is the rainfall. Actually, the main data is date and rainfall, which is a rainfall time series of a rainfall station. And these data have been generated by cumulative rainfall. This is 2 days cumulative rainfall and and this is 4 days, and similarly 5 days cumulative rainfall. So this is my main and data set. I will now use the pivot table for data analysis. Pivot table is a very useful tool for data analysis. So, yeah, so at first you have to click on insert and then pivot table, and here the table range is you have to click here to set the table range. Suppose you want to analyze the data from this data set, then you have to place your cursor the first cell, and then click on shift control and the right arrow and down arrow. The whole data set will be selected. Then press on enter, and then where you want to put your pivot table, in this sheet or in a new worksheet. Let's say I want to place my pivot table in the existing worksheet, and then you have to click on existing worksheet, and then again click here to locate your position. Let us say we want to place I want to place my pivot table here. So I've just given the cell identity here, and so click on OK. Now there the data set are arranged in this box like serial number, day, month, year, rainfall, etc. And just take the year here in the row box and rainfall values. So the corresponding value of rainfall, this is actually the sum of total rainfall that occurred in 1965, 1966, and similarly last year, that 2019, this one. Now I want to get the maximum rainfall that occurred in each year. So how will I get it? Again, to drag the rainfall into the values box and then click on the sum of RF2 and click on value field settings, and then I want to have maximum value. I can have minimum value, average, everything. So maximum value I've clicked, so I've got the maximum value. That means in 1965 there is maximum rainfall 268 millimeter rainfall occurred in 1965. Similarly, 102 millimeter rainfall occurred in 1966. So for all the year, I get the maximum value. I can get the um, minimum value or whatever. Let's try another way. Just let's have date here. See, I've just drag the date. So the data has been arranged like this. That means if I want to have a quarter maximum value, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and in 1966 there are 4 quarter. First quarter means first first 3 months, and the second 3, and third 3, and the fourth 3. So in the first quarter year, the sum of Total rainfall is 55. First quarter water means January, February, March. These are actually dry season. So essentially in dry season, rainfall is very low. So in the second quarter is 504, and the third quarter, which is monsoon season, is the highest rainfall. So if I take the year here, then what happens? You can arrange, you can just arrange the different data set in different ways to analyze the data according to your requirement. So that's how we can easily exploit the pivot table for data analysis. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more tutorial videos.